So this is just me doing something fun to test some models and get back into the swing of recording video demos. I actually haven't tried this before, so we'll see how it goes. It's a little thing that I made that I wanted to test different models on. 2.5 Pro Max on Cursor was the only thing that could even get there, but it was the same flow that everybody got. Well done spec, built early, with code examples and all of it. So I'm so surprised that the other ones couldn't get there. Not Windsurf, not Claude Code, none of them could get to a working one. Part of that's because this is an Electron app, so that makes this a Mac app instead of a web thing. And maybe that's what added the complexity. But here's the very simple thing. I'm just gonna clone into it. It's a little project called Kebi. I'm just gonna clone in, run install. This is a fresh folder, so if it works for me, it should work for you. I've already put the Gemini API key into my environment, or you can just put it into the .env. You can just put that in there and then you're good to go. And now all you need to do is do bunch start and you're good to go. So there's a little command shortcut, or there's going to be an icon in the menu bar, which is a little frog riding a broomstick, because Kebi, maybe you'll get it at this point. The key about that is just it's a way to learn languages a little bit easier and see how well LLMs works. This is using Gemini Flash for cheapness and speed, so it might not be perfect. But let's say I was typing a message to someone, right? I can just copy that to the clipboard, and then if I just click the thing in the menu bar, it's going to take like 1 to 2 seconds, and then it's just going to give me a translation. So as I'm talking about things and covering things, it gives me a very quick understanding of like what that would be somewhere else, and it's an easier way to get used to vocab or talking, right? If I wanted Malayalam, which was a recent thing, you can just keep adding language packs. All a language pack is a system prompt and 2 few shots. And the few shots are generated by 4.5 or something better, so that the model gets tuned in the right way. This is not a terrible translation, but it's a great translation if you're just trying to understand the language, right? And the tips are useful, the alternatives are useful. You can also copy this if you want to pretend like you're speaking. You can also swap out the models later, and it maintains a translation history. So that's the little app, but just making that app took a lot of work and a lot of effort from the specs to 2.5. But yeah, try it out.